Finding the right router lift can make a huge difference in woodworking accuracy and efficiency. Poor height adjustments, unstable setups, and difficult bit changes often slow down projects and affect results. A quality router lift solves these problems by providing smooth, precise, and repeatable adjustments for every cut. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best woodworking router lifts you can consider in 2026. These router lift systems are designed to improve control, accuracy, and convenience for hobbyists and professional woodworkers alike. Check the links in the description for prices and availability, and subscribe for more woodworking tool reviews. Number 5. Precision Router Table Lift System. The Precision Router Lift is designed for woodworkers who demand quick, accurate, and repeatable setups. Its smooth lifting mechanism allows precise height adjustments from above the table, eliminating the need to reach underneath during operation. The sturdy construction helps reduce vibration while maintaining consistent cutting performance. It also simplifies router bit changes, saving valuable workshop time. Whether you're cutting dados, creating decorative edges, or performing detailed joinery work, this lift system provides reliable accuracy and convenience. Its durable design makes it an excellent choice for both serious hobbyists and professional woodworking environments. Number 4. Woodworking Router Lift Kit. This woodworking router lift kit combines a durable aluminum insert plate with a practical lift mechanism for improved routing precision. Designed for routers with 65mm diameter motors, it includes a miter gauge guide and support bracket for enhanced stability. The aluminum construction offers excellent strength while remaining lightweight and resistant to corrosion. Height adjustments are smooth and accurate, allowing users to fine-tune cutting depth with confidence. Ideal for cabinet making, furniture projects, and general woodworking tasks, this router lift kit helps create cleaner cuts and more professional results with less effort. Number 3. 65mm motors router lift with 4-claws strong gripping system. The 65mm motors router lift with 4-claws strong gripping system is built for stability and secure router mounting. Its powerful 4-claw clamping design firmly holds compatible routers in place, minimizing movement during demanding woodworking operations. The aluminum alloy router plate provides durability while maintaining a flat and accurate work surface. Smooth height adjustment enables precise control over cutting depth, making it easier to achieve consistent results. Whether you're trimming edges, cutting grooves, or producing detailed profiles, this router lift offers dependable performance and enhanced accuracy in a compact, workshop-friendly design. Number 2. Router lift for 65mm diameter motors. This router lift for 65mm diameter motors is engineered to provide precise control and effortless adjustment for woodworking projects. The lift base allows users to make accurate router height changes from above the table, improving workflow and reducing setup time. Its sturdy construction helps maintain alignment and stability throughout operation, contributing to cleaner and more consistent cuts. Compatible with many popular 65mm motor routers, it is suitable for tasks ranging from edge shaping to joinery work. For woodworkers seeking improved precision and convenience, this router lift system delivers excellent value and dependable performance. Number 1. New Router Table Insert Plate Set. Taking the top position is the new Router Table Insert Plate Set, a versatile solution for slotting, trimming, chamfering, and a wide variety of woodworking applications. This complete router lift setup is designed to improve accuracy while making router adjustments simple and efficient. The durable insert plate provides a stable working platform, while the lift mechanism allows smooth and precise height control. Its user-friendly design helps reduce setup time and supports repeatable cutting results. Whether you're a beginner upgrading your workshop or an experienced woodworker seeking better control, this router lift system offers impressive performance and versatility. A quality router lift can greatly improve woodworking precision, safety, and convenience. These 5 router lift systems offer reliable height adjustment, sturdy construction, and excellent value for a variety of routing tasks. Whether you're building furniture, cabinetry, or custom projects, there's an option here to fit your workshop needs. Let us know which router lift is your favorite. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more woodworking tool reviews.